All right, in the previous video, I showed you basically how to build an app where you take spreadsheet data, you build the app, and it shows that data in a list on the home screen. Okay, and now I'm going to show you how to create a second screen. We'll call it an info screen, and where that screen can show other information, like we'll show the description, we'll show the picture bigger on that second screen. But you might have 10 columns here, and on that info screen, you're going to show for each individual, you'll show all their information or whatever information you want to show. So the first thing you do is, well, I got to click edit to get back into edit, and I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to say I want a blank screen, and I'm just going to name this guy info screen. Okay, and it's for an individual, right? For one of those individuals. And on that info screen, I'm just going to put some labels so I can put the information. So one thing I'm going to want is the name of the person. So I'll call that the name label. Then we have a description in our spreadsheet. So we're going to show that on this screen. And I'll call that guy the description label. Okay, and I'll just start off these guys as having just dashes in them. We could also empty them out all the way, but for now it's nice to see those. Of course, we need an image. Okay, so I'm just going to search for image, and there it is. And I'm going to drag that in and put that on top. And what I'll do for the image is I'll just make it. Let's just set its height to a relative size of, I don't know, 55%. Okay, and then the width, we'll just make it relative size and 90%. I don't know, we may have to play around with that later. And right now you can't see anything, and there's no data in there yet. We haven't coded up the blocks for that screen. Okay, what I'm going to do right now though is I'm going to make it so from screen one we'll get to that, be able to get to that info screen. What I want is, when the user, oh sorry, I want to actually start on screen one. So when the user clicks on one of these names, I want to open the info screen and show, if I click on this first one, show Dave Wolber's information. Okay, so I'm going to go back here in screen one, and in my blocks, I need to make it so that info screen gets opened. And let's see, so in my blocks for screen one, I just need to scroll over. I think they're over here someplace. Oh, sorry, I don't have any. We literally don't have any blocks yet for screen one. But in screen one, what I'm going to want to happen is when someone chooses an item in this data viewer list. Okay, so when someone chooses one of the items, I'm going to want to open the second screen. And so essentially what I'm going to do is navigate to info screen. Okay, so it's not much, right? But at least I have, kind of a design of my info screen. And then now I hope from screen one, I'll be able to get there. So let's test it out. If I click on preview, sorry, once again, I got to start on screen one, click on preview. There's the main screen. And if I click on the second item, it brings up, there's no image yet, none of this is set, but at least it's bringing up that screen. Okay,